Hi guys! So this is a little restaurant that we deliver bananas to.
This one is King the Banana. This one. This one. That one. Second one.
Say good morning to the people.
Hi, good morning, YouTube.
Just sold our bananas and now we're going to buy food here. I'll show you guys the food. This is the menu. We're just gonna ooh, it looks so good.
Mixed breakfast.
That looks yummy. And that is $800.
I think it's another one.
Wait, where is this located?
Bayside.
So
I
we're
call it Port Elizabeth.
over by Bayside in Portmore. So if you guys ever want to get some good
So
food,
come on down. You can get your food here.
let me show you the outside properly so you can know what it looks like. Too small, please. So this is somebody else that we sell bananas to. Goes to the market and sells. So we just have one grocery shelf for her today.
Be right. It's alright, man.
It's full.
Yeah, look how full
It's
it
full.
is. It's all that nice.
Currently on our way back to Portland. Stopping and getting breadfruit on the side of the road.
Oh, that can roast, right?
Yeah, man. That would be boil and be so big.
Let me see.
Yeah, if you know, hold it.
Okay. She said this is a nice one.
Yep.
If-
Not it. With the back of your finger, if you can hollow, you know, say, yeah, I'm ready. Alright.
That means it's that means it's ready.
Roasting breakfast.
Alright, well I know where you are. I'm gonna come back to you.
If you find a style, you find weak. I'm just on me alone.
Alright.
Have a good day.
Alright, same to you.
Thanks. We just stopped and got this ackee from another sale on the side of the road, and this is 2.5 dozen.
Yeah.
$500. Much better than the price that was in Portmore. Because how much you said was in Portmore?
In town it was for $600 a dozen.
1 dozen. Wow.
And we got 2.5 dozen for less than
For less
$600.
than, yeah. Wow. Today, guys, we're spending the day going to one of our containers that we have here. Honestly, this just have a bunch of stuff that we've had over the years. So it's nothing new or anything. Like all of our stuff. Ryan's here helping us. Look at Ryan, new fresh cut. Yeah. Yeah, so we're here sweating in the hot container. I'm gonna repack it neatly this time.
Well, I must got in, no problem. But Chargy, my little friend, is the one that's not going in.
Sergeant. Come.
Chargy's not happy.
It's fine.
No, I'm still jumping back out.
That's not somewhere to put it.
Amos is a girl, right?
Hamas is a boy, and Charge is a girl.
I mean, Chargy's a girl. Chargy's a girl and Amos is a boy.
That's all it is. But they're very smart dogs.
Yeah.
But you have chickens?
No, not yet.
Okay. Because they attack chickens.
Oh, okay.
If you're but if you're how them trouble them, Uncle Lolly? How do they trouble them? Before them coming and then reach and before them fly off by the roof and they run off and then they take a picture and then left them and then weird them. You know? Their time with everything then. Yeah, man.
So you think they'll kill the chickens?
Definitely.
Okay. Okay.
Well, all the best. Yeah,
Thank you very much, and thank you guys so much.
All right. Come. All right.
Amos is fine. Chargy is not happy about changing homes, but it's okay. She'll get used to us. So Chargy is gone. So Chargy's bowl is now a water bowl for Amos. Oh my gosh. Look at him. He finished it. So good morning, guys. I see Amos had a good sleep. I was going for my morning walk. He wanted to come, sorry. And then I brought him, but he was just wild, running around, jumping around, acting like a puppy. And then to my surprise, when we got down there, who did we see? We saw Chargy. Look at her. She was down there curled up in a ball close to the stream. Not too close, but close enough. And just laying there. And I pat her head, and this wild one kept jumping all over her. And they started playing like nothing happened. And she walked a little wide from me, but she came back. Look at her down there eating. I don't know which one of those grass is her medicine, but she's enjoying some grass down there. I know she must be hungry because last night Amos ate, but she didn't because she left and it was so dark we couldn't see anything. Walking around calling her, but here she is. She disappeared, and now the prodigal daughter has returned. Okay, guys, so I decided to make some turned cornmeal for the dogs since Chargy, since we found her this morning. I know she must be hungry because she ran away last night and hid somewhere along the bushes there. So I decided I'm gonna make some cornmeal for them, and then I'm gonna put in some tin mackerel, and I have some chicken left over. So I thought I would put that with it too. And I also decided I'd make some cornmeal porridge for us to start our day off before I make breakfast. I thought we could drink some porridge in the meantime. So we are having cornmeal, and so is Chargy and Amos. I just might put a little bit more water in it, and then maybe just a little, because I don't want to make porridge for them. I mean, it's not too dry, it's pretty moist actually. And I'm gonna take some out and mix it up with the mackerel and the chicken and save the rest for later for dinner. Okay, so we're ready to give them their breakfast. So here it is. I put the mackerel and the chicken and I mixed it up with the cornmeal. And this one, Amos is ready to go. I know. Okay, don't hang yourself. Come on, Chargy. Come on, Chargy. Come for food. Come. Okay. I think I'll give you this one. Oh, Lord, take your time. Come, Chargy. Here. And Chargy is eating too. Okay, guys, so we are on our way to go and collect a goat from Luddy. We're buying a goat from him. Morning, Mr. Luddy. How are you?
Between bad and good, you know.
Yeah. You feel bad and good at the same time? Between bad and good? Okay.
You know, if you carry up.
Carry this me up. Ready for him,
Yeah,
man.
man, go on, sir.
You see us coming, so he's running. Hi, baby. Hi. Luddy, you gave him a name? He has a name? No? No?
Come. Come. Let me know like to my friend, I do it with him, you know. You think I'm not losing? You must draw me, man. You understand me? Tell me I move my draw me.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Come, boy. All right. Come.
There you
You will in I'm
go.
on.
You know, bust out there yet.
You think you're challenging? All right. Okay. Give yourself. All your time, Lodi.
That's nice, eh? That's nice, eh?
Yeah, man. You don't care about your rope, man.
No one you up today. Come here, so.
Me now come back today with it, so that's a pull it in.
Later.
Hmm?
I'm going to look through line to them people so they can make you get one here, Miss Will.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you.
Just call me and let me know.
Yeah, man, I love the lemons here. The lemons here taste so good.
save the number in this. You can manage them bang, yeah?
Huh?
You can manage them.
Yeah.
Can't get no
Save the number. Yeah, man, them the dog eat anything, you know. Apple, orange,
Really?
banana,
Eat
coconut, chocolate,
vegetable?
everything.
Yeah.
Everything the pan farm and they eat, man.
Oh wow! This morning I gave them cornmeal and mackerel with chicken in it.
Anything. You know, if you have a special feed for them.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
What you gonna do?
But you know, alright, so.
Alright, yeah, man.
You might not need no.
No need no worry for tie up there. This time
I
short
can't
enough
see
that you
anything
can't
here.
jump out. Mind yourself.
What's a drench?
Yeah, to be very on fast, by right.
Mm.
Long day, come on, in to that. Right, that's true. You understand me? Can be my damn.
What do you use?
They have Milburn.
Nilvern?
Yeah, man, and you know, you just read too much by the way, too much again.
Nilvern, okay.
You don't care what hand I want cock come there, you know.
Wait, yeah, you know, say, wow. I told Jackie that I wanted one. Thank you. That's what I've been trying to find.
Yeah, like you can know.
Yeah.
That.
Yeah, man.
Well, then crow 12 o'clock, you know. And 4 o'clock again, then crow.
Where you keeping at that?
Goat.
A goat.
When they come down night time, we pen them up in there.
So you have more goat?
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. No deal. But then come in every night now, work for already. I see them. They have 2 tie up there, so I see them a stay up there now.
So.
Yeah, man.
Now when them come down on their own right there, so.
Yeah, man. As I take out the bag now and turn, everybody up the back with me. I give them a little feed, you know, but they want to know eat feeding.
Eat now and then, right? Have grass in one.
Yeah, man.
You get mango from the East Indian tree?
This year.
Oh, yeah?
A stringy all mango come from, you know.
Oh.
I took it, I best mango that, you know.
Stringy?
Yes.
Yeah?
You know, so the vein them, you know.
Yeah.
Tough and hard, the mango stringy and number 11, you know. I think toughest mango you have, you know.
Okay.
And a mango in here, you know. A mango, you know.
Mango.
Then it last, so then it travel and last, you know, and then run out of food and something. And then find the mango and then eat. And after they eat done, no much is clear, and say, this can make man go.
Oh.
This can make man go, so I know mango. A mango.
Mango.
Then call,
Oh.
then call kerosene. I know kerosene, you know. Kerosene. A carrot. Much one woman named Carol define the oil, you know. So name kerosene.
Oh.
I know kerosene, a carrot.
More one branch or something, I mean, munch from. You know?
No, man, you know, alright, man. You don't want nothing to
When you start driving, you can sit down?
Let's look at time on drive. Lordy, we're gone.
Alright, okay.
Alright.
Yeah, man, alright, shit.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Don't make you get the line later, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, let's call my man.
You know, so juice for you know.
Yeah. I'll work it what I can get. Okay.
No, man, you can't do this so far. You can't be this. You distract me, guy.
We are back home. This is your new home now. He's finding his own spot. He's looking for the spot that he wants. Like grass, eh? Look at you getting down in the grass. He likes the grass. Look at him. You be time on that tree over there. So the dogs bit the goat last night. I don't know what you guys say, but my husband say get rid of them. Once a dog bites your goat, they're not good dogs. And other men said the same thing, get rid of the dog. Because once they taste the blood, they will always want to go after the goat. What say you, yay or nay? So now we have to be dressing his ears because they bit the two ears. One worse than one, but they bit them both. Hope you feel better.
So we currently cannot find the dogs. We haven't seen them for a while. And I know that they like to go to the river. So I'm just going to take a walk over there and see if they're over there playing in the water while I'm over here wondering where they are. So yeah, I'm going to take you guys down there. You can see what the roads are like over here, guys. At the top of our property, we have much better roads. But around on this side by entrance 2 and entrance 3, the roads are definitely not the best. So yeah, hopefully one day, the government can come around these areas and fix up the road. But it's definitely because we're in a farm area. So I'm almost at the river now. But yeah, this place is absolutely beautiful, guys. And I just hope that over time we can make it even better than it is now. If that's possible, I want it to get done. So looking if I see the dogs anywhere around here. Looks like they recently spread some stones. Oh, a hummingbird. Wow. Look at it, guys. Can you see that? It's a hummingbird. Wow. So pretty. Yeah, this place is honestly so beautiful. Look at that. Look at that water. You can fish back here and catch crayfish as well. Looks like somebody was cutting down the trees over here. Oh, I don't see them. Oh, I wish the trees weren't there because I could have walked up and shown you guys how nice the water looks. It looks deep, like you could just jump in. Oh my gosh, I'm sure that fishing here would be nice. You can hear the birds. If you look up in the tree here, you'll see that these bananas have a longer, what do I call it? Whatever this thing is called. It's long. You can see how long it is from over. Look at this one. Look at this one. Look at that. You see how long it is? And if you look up there, you'll see the banana. They're kind of short and stubby. That right there is original banana, guys. So when you open them up, you can see big seeds in them. These ones right here. There's some very big seeds in them. Because it's the original, real banana. Yeah. It tastes kind of like a custardy kind of thing. But it's nice that we have them here. They're still around. And over here they grow a lot. But you can see how peaceful it is out here as well. Once you leave the property, very peaceful, very nice, with some nice palm trees. People are telling me around here that they can also cut the palm tree and eat the inside of the palm tree. I've never heard of that, but if you have ever eaten the inside of a palm tree or heard that you could eat the inside of a palm tree, comment down below and let me know. Because I thought that they were pranking me, but recently someone told me it's a real thing. So yeah, never knew until now. Look at Ryan. We're going fishing, Ryan, because the people want to see fishing.
Okay, right now, I go fishing in the river over the sun.
Eh?
Or fish off the river.
In our stream,
Yeah.
there's fish.
Yeah.
Ryan is saying when I come back to country, we're gonna do a fishing video. So comment down below and let Ryan know that you are waiting on a fishing video because I need him to go with me because he's a big fisher. So comment down below, like the video and everything, and let Ryan know. Ryan wants to see some fishing. Yeah?
Alright.
Alright. I was looking for the dogs. Because sometimes them come out here, but I don't see them. We are back. Who brought the mangoes?
Jackie.
Oh. What kind of mango you said? Blacky sweetie? Portland sweetie? Let me show you guys the mangoes that they brought this morning. Here are the mangoes that they brought today, guys. These are some Portland, what, Blacky sweetie or something like that. The dogs that I was looking for. Look at them coming back wet. Look at this one, loves the water. Watch him. Look at them. Where were you? Where were you? We're all ending off the day just chilling, relaxing, and it's a nice cool day right now. So yeah, one of our farmer friends from across the road came to visit, so he's here right now talking to my dad. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here. Please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we will talk soon. Say bye, Hamas. Hamas, say bye.